Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. In our last session, we have discussed about how to fill the bigger vessel using measuring cups. Then the mass of the object in kilogram, gram and milligram. Next, studio book, page number 157, children. Activity number 6.25. Look at the item in your shop. The mass that each trolley can hold is written on it. Match each item with the trolley into which it can be placed. One has been done for you. For the first question, 6000 gram is there. For the next side, here 9000 gram, 6 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 8000 gram, 4000 gram are given. We have to match the equal mass can hold. 6000 gram is nothing but 6 kilogram. It will be the conversion kilogram into gram. So 6 kilogram is nothing but 6000 gram. Like that we have to match the followings. Here 9 kilogram is given. 9 kilogram is nothing but 9000 gram. So we have to match this one. Next 4 kilogram. 4 kilogram is nothing but 4000 gram. So we have to match this one. Next 5000 gram is nothing but 5 kilogram. We have to match like that. Then 8 kilogram is nothing but 8000 gram. Like that we have to match the gram into kilogram or kilogram into gram, children. Next companion activity, activity number 6F. This is your home fun. This is your companion book, page number 62, children. Activity number 6F. Convert the following measures from kilogram to gram. Gram is nothing but 1000 gram. So we have to multiply by kilogram by 1000. It will be changed as 5 multiple 1000. It will be 5000 gram. Like that you have to convert the following questions. Complete it and upload it in the Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book, page number 158, children. Activity number 6.26, look deep activity. In Sanpur, people exchange goods of the same mass. For example, 1 kilogram of potatoes would be exchanged with 1000 gram of carrots. These two masses are same. So they are given 1 kilogram of potato. Then they will get 1000 gram of carrots. Then check if there is a fair exchange of item among the people. Take the one that show a fair exchange. See, the first exchange will be 4 kilogram of apple. It will be changed as 4000 of gram of sugar cane. These two item of exchange is correct only. It is fair. So we have to tick the answer. Then the second one, 8 kilogram of wheat. It will be changed as 7800 gram of hay. It is not equal because 8 into 1000 will be 8000, but it has 7800 gram alone. So it will be not a fair exchange. So we have to put a wrong mark. To compare the masses of a different object, we first need to convert them into the same units of measurement. See here, it is 8 kilogram. It is 7800 gram. For that we have to change it as in the same mass or same units. Then we have to compare the given sums, children. Next, studio book, page number 159, children. First question. Kiran's mother is making chocolate at home. She has melted 80 grams of chocolate and poured it equal into the 8 small molds. What is the mass of the chocolate in each mold? For divide, we have to use this sum. 80 divided by 8 is equal to, for that we have to use the division operation. It will be 10. So we have to pour 10 gram of chocolate in each mold. Therefore, the mass of each mold is 10 gram. Next question. Kiran's mother has made 75 chocolates. Kiran is now garnishing them with almonds. If the mass of each garnished chocolate is 10 gram, what is the total mass of 75 chocolates? Multiply to find the answer. Here we have to multiply the given numbers. 75 multiplied to 10, it will be 750 gram. Here I am using the quick tip. 75 multiple 10. We have to add the 1/10 after the number. So 750 gram. Therefore, the total mass of 75 chocolate is 750 gram. Third question. Kiran and her mother are packing a cake in which they have used 500 gram of flour, 450 gram of sugar, 75 gram of cocoa powder, 700 gram of butter. What is the total mass of 4 ingredients together? Here we have to use the addition operation, children. For that, we have to write the numbers in the place value. So, now we have to add the numbers in ones place. 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 5 will be 5, 5 plus 0 will be 5. Then, in the tens place, 0 plus 5 will be 5, 5 plus 7 will be 12. So, write the 2 in tens place, 1 in the carryovers place. Then, 1 plus 5 will be 6, 6 plus 4 will be 10, 10 plus 7 will be 17. 7 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. Here no number is there. So, write the number 1. So, totally 1725 gram of ingredients was there. Therefore, the total mass of 4 ingredients is 1725 grams. Like that, we have to add the numbers in gram and kilogram. The fourth one, Kiran's mother is also making a cutlets for the party. She has 650 gram of butter at home. If she used 425 gram of butter, how much butter is she left? For that we have to use the subtraction. So we have to write the number in the place value. Then we have to start the subtraction. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to take a borrowing. 5 will be changed as 4. 0 will be changed as 10. Now we have to start subtraction. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Therefore, she has 225 gram of butter left. Like that, we have to do the operations of addition, multiplication, subtraction, division in the masses. Next, companion activity. Activity number 6. This is your home fun. This is your companion book, page number 63, children. This is your home fun. Activity number 6G. You have to solve the following problems. You have to read the problems, then you have to answer the questions using addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, children. Read all the questions, answer the questions. Complete it and upload it in the Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book, page number 161, children. Activity number 6.27, think and ink activity. Kiran and her mother are putting wafer, homemade chocolates and some gifts into giveaway bags. We are preparing some things. We have to find the answer for the questions. For that, I will give the answers. I will tell the operations also. You have to write neatly in your note kanna. First one, if the total mass of paper is in the packet is 40 gram and the mass of each wafer is 8 gram. How many wafers are there in the packet? For that we have to use the operation division. 40 divided by 8 equal to, so it will be 5. So there are 5 packets of wafers. Then the second question, they have 8 giveaway bags ready. If the mass of each bag is 250 gram, what will be the total mass of 8 bags? For here we have to use the operation multiplication. 250 multiplied by 8. You have to do the sum and write the answer. It will be 2000 gram. Therefore, total mass of 8 bags equal to 2000 gram. Third sum, Kiran's father plans to put all the giveaway bags into a carton. If the mass of the carton is 500 gram, what will be the total mass of the carton and the bags itself? For that, you have to use the operation addition. See here, the bags, it is 2000 gram plus 500 gram will be the cotton's gram. So we have to add the given sums. So it will be 2500 gram. Total mass will be equal to 2500 gram. Next, fourth question. Kiran's mother bought 400 gram of sugar from the shop. If she used 2600 gram of sugar for the party, how much sugar is the left with? For that we have to use the operation subtraction. 4000 minus 2600, it will be 1400 gram. She left with 1400 gram. You have to write the questions in your note, then write the answer properly, children. Like that we have to use the operation in the mass. Next, studio book page number 162. Now I can identify the right unit to measure the given mass. You can identify means stick it over there. Convert kilogram to gram. You can convert kilogram to gram means you have to tick it over there. Then solve problems on weight of the object. We can use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operations means you have to tick it over there. Next, companion activity 6H. This is your home fun. This is companion book page number 64, children. Project time. First one will be length. Create a tower that is 30 cm tall. Use at least 5 objects to create the tower. Make sure that the tower stays standing for at least 1 minute. After building your tower, fill in the boxes. You have to write what all the objects you are used. You have to write it over then. Then you have to write length of each object. What all the objects you are using, you have to measure the each object's length. Then you have to write it over then. Then finally, height of that my tower, you have to write it over there. You have to make a 30 cm tall tower. You have to use at least 5 objects. Then you have to write the name of the object, then length of the object, then write the total of the objects, children. Next will be mass and capacity. Here is the recipe for 1 cupcake. You have to make a 1 cupcake. For 1 mug cake, 20 ml vegetable oil you need, 60 ml milk you need, 1 egg, 2 ml of vanilla extract, 40 ml of self-rising flour, 50 gram of sugar, 10 gram of cocoa powder, 45 gram of chocolate chips. These are all the things you need. Then how many milliliter of or grams of each ingredient will you need to make 4 such mug cakes? Use the space provided for your calculation. You have to write each object, then you have to write the milliliter or gram of the ingredient, each ingredient. Then write the final list of ingredient along with the right units of measurement. You have to write the final ingredient of each object. Then you have to write with the correct units also. Complete it and upload it in the Chrysalis app, children. Now, studio book page number 162 children. In the measurement, we are seeing the three topics that will be length, capacity and mass. The meaning of length is how long an object is from end to end. This is the length object meaning. Then tool used to measure the length is ruler and measuring tape. Units of measurement we are discussed in this lesson. It will be millimeter, centimeter and meter. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is nothing but 10 millimeter. In the capacity, how much a container can hold it. This is the meaning of capacity. In the tool we have used here is measuring cups. In this we are discussed about liter and milliliter. 1 liter is nothing but 1000 milliliter. Then mass, how heavy an object is. In this measuring tool is balance, weighing balance we are used. In this measurements are milligram, gram and kilogram. 1 kilogram is nothing but 1000 gram. Next will be question time. You have to pause your video here. Do all the conversions. Check your answers with my answer children. Check your answers with my answer children. Till this we are ending up today's class. Then we will end up the lesson also. In this lesson we are discussed how to measure length and capacity and the mass of the object. Then what are all the units we are used for the length, capacity and the mass. Then conversion of each units. Thank you children. We will meet in the next session. Bye bye.